In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI thumbnails in the pets niche. So the platform that we're going to use is NovoAds AI, and here we need to go to the image section and use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt, and here in title, we need to write the title of our video, for example, this one. Now here, where it says text overlay, we need to write the text that will appear here, so I'm going to put this text. Now here, in reference image, in your video, I recommend to upload an image of reference. For example, here, an image of the dog could be nice to upload it as a reference image, but in this case, I'm not going to do it. So let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails is amazing. So well, if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can do it for just $1. That way you can do thumbnails like these ones. So after saying that, see you in the next video.